everyone, and welcome to the channel. Do you sell on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari? We're here to help. Today we'll cover 30 of the fastest selling brands for men's casual shirts. These brands sold for over $20 on eBay in the last 90 days. Keep an eye out because I've starred the top 10 brands with the highest % sell-through rate. Let's get started. Ben Davis. Current sold was $29.95, $9.65 shipping. The tag looks like a monkey, and it's 100% cotton. You can also see the logo on the outside pocket. Sell-through rate was 141%. J. Peterman. Current sold is $29.87, $5.25 shipping. This is also 100% cotton. Sell-through rate was 72%. Ralph Lauren Purple Label. Current sold is $42.50, $6.95 shipping. Here's a close-up. And this is made in Italy, 100% cotton. Sell-through rate is 93%. SCULLY. Current sold was $63, shipping was $17. Here's the tag. Is definitely a Western shirt. We've talked about these before. Some nice details. Sell-through rate was 119%. Southern Marsh. Current sold was $24.99, $6.99 shipping. Let's take a look at the label. 100% cotton. Sell-through rate is 102%. R.M. Williams. Current sold was $27, $12 shipping. This is a vintage label made in Australia. Sell-through rate was 75%. Game Guard. Current sold was $33, $6.15 shipping. Here's a close-up of the logo. This one's 100% polyester. And this is a vintage shirt, so it's most likely for fishing, outdoor activities. Sell-through rate was 82%. Arc'teryx. Current sold was $39.99, $8.99 shipping. Be on the lookout for the small embroidered Arc'teryx logo. Sell-through rate was 117%. Diamond. Current sold was $37.77, shipping was $6. This is a vintage brand. This shirt is cotton and polyester. It's got a really nice embroidered pattern. Sell-through rate is 68%. GITMAN Bros. Current sold was $49, $6 shipping. This is the vintage version of the shirt. And this is made in USA. Sell-through rate was 108%. Rock Mount. Current sold was $49.99, $5.95 shipping. Most of these were vintage, and this one's made in USA, Denver, Colorado. Sell-through rate was 94%. Faherty. Current sold was $24.95, $5.70 shipping. Here's a closer look. Shirt is also 100% cotton. Sell-through rate was 124%. Pendleton. Current sold was $49.99, $10.85 shipping. Here's a close-up of the label. And this one's labeled Fireside. Sell-through rate is 75%. Salt Valley. Current sold was $23.99, $5.98 shipping. A close-up of the tag. Another pearl snap button. Sell-through rate was 79%. Buck Mason. Current sold was $34.95, $4.95 shipping. Another cotton shirt. And this one is actually corduroy. Sell-through rate was 150%. Sid MASHBURN. Current sold was $39.99, $6.35 shipping. Here's a close-up. Sell-through rate was 89%. Lululemon. Current sold was $42.66, $5.65 shipping. The tag on this one's kind of unusual. You can see it's like really long. And this is mostly polyester with some lycra. Sell-through rate was 110%. ROARK Revival. Current sold was $34.99, $12.55 shipping. I haven't seen this brand before, but this logo is very unique. It also has a patch on the bottom. Sell-through rate is 81%. Taylor Stitch. Current sold was $45, $6.30 shipping. Here's a close-up. Says handmade in California. This is 100% cotton. Sell-through rate is 115%. ARIAT. Current sold was $24.87, $6.45 shipping. Here's a close-up. This is ARIAT Pro Series. Also be on the lookout for ARIAT Flame Resistant. So it's going to have ARIAT FR. Sell-through rate is 109%. Wallace & Barnes. Current sold is $34.95, $9.95 shipping. Here's a close-up of the tag. Sell-through rate is 84%. FILSON. Current sold was $34.99, $6.65 shipping. This brand is based in Seattle, Washington. And this is 100% cotton. Sell-through rate is 136%. Huck. Current sold is $24.99, $7.99 shipping. This is a fisherman shirt, and the label is printed on. This is 100% polyester. Sell-through rate is 99%. Mizzen in Maine. Current sold is $30, shipping was $5.99. This is another brand made in the USA. Sell-through rate is 86%. Butter Cloth. Current sold was $34.90, shipping was $5.99. Here's the logo. Sell-through rate was 214%. Sims. Current sold was $24.87, $6.45 shipping. This is another 100% cotton shirt. Sell-through rate is 67%. Psycho Bunny. Current sold is $39.90. Shipping was $12.55. It has a patch on the bottom, on the outside. This is from Robert Godley. And this is 100% cotton, made in Peru. Here's a close-up of the little bunny patch on the outside pocket. Sell-through rate is 108%. Howler Bros. Current sold is $37.97, $5.99 shipping. Here's the label. This is mostly cotton with some polyester. Sell-through rate is 150%. Affliction. Current sold is $39.94, $7.94 shipping. You can see it has an embroidered front patch. Here's the inside label. And the back is kind of hard to miss. You can see here it's got the whole name and logo on the back. And I wanted to show you another version of this brand. So Affliction Black Premium is another version. And you'll see on this version, it's embroidered as well. Sell-through rate is 87%. Number one fastest selling brand on the list is Ryan Michael. Current sold was $29.95, $5.60 shipping. This is a Western pearl snap rockabilly style shirt. Here's a close-up of the tag. This is actually 100% tencel. And you can see here there's a lot of detail with these rough stitches. And the pearl snaps are a different color. Sell-through rate is 270%. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!